Meet the Copacabana Club Chair by Ratana, easygoing, sculptural, and built for those slow, sun-drenched afternoons. A stylized black frame and striking rope wrap give it a clean, contemporary profile, while the tailored deep seat feels instantly lounge-worthy. It's the kind of statement piece that turns a patio into a private resort. Under the hood, you're getting performance materials made for real-life outdoors, a powder-coated, rust-proof aluminum frame paired with hand-woven rope engineered to handle the elements. Cushions use quick-drying reticulated foam and can be upholstered in premium outdoor fabrics like Sunbrella, Outdura, or Belladura durable, fade-resistant, and easy to clean. Comfort is dialed in with generous proportions and supportive ergonomics, perfect for long conversations or a quiet coffee at sunrise. It pairs smoothly with most modern side tables and loungers. Day-to-day upkeep stays blissfully simple. A quick rinse or gentle wipe is usually all it takes. Thanks to commercial-quality construction and weather-ready finishes, Copacabana keeps its good look season after season without demanding maintenance. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to reposition when you're reworking the space for guests or chasing the shade. If you want a club chair that looks elevated, feels indulgent, and stands up to the outdoors, Copacabana is a standout choice. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.